So yeah, I welded up the last little bit. Made it down to there, and I think because the wheel arch only goes to there, so I can take that on now and just finish the rest as it is. Yeah, a little progress. Well, I got her tacked in using Fitzy's cut and butt method. I really should have done the entire wheel arch the Fitzy's way, but well, I'd already made this over ambitious and it's fine. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. No, other than a little wrinkle down there, it's getting the hammer just to fit properly. Other than that, it's pretty good. It'll be a little bondo because the panel is too far outwards and the car is more down. But still, we're talking like a millimeter or two. I gotta fill that because I screwed up with angle grinder, but that's no biggie. Just use a piece of copper pipe up behind here and fill her in nice and slow. So yeah, car is starting to look a bit more finished. Just gotta plug weld the inside and take it easy and fill up the outer side spot by spot. So yeah, might even be driving this car come summer. Also, I took the hammer to the sill. Let's see if you can see it there, just to get it flat. The weld itself needs to be fillered, but I can live with that. But now at least it's straight down and not with a lip on it. Yeah, I might even have to worry about putting more engine in it. Thinking trying to turbo the original 1.6 2T single carburetor. We'll see. Anyway, I'll keep cracking at it. So when you're done with the cut and butt, you just remove the remains inside, like so. I haven't cut it in the bottom, but anyway, you can see pretty good penetration using quite a bit of heat. Focus. Yeah, so just got to fill up between the spot welds and try not to look at the floor too much. Well, it's better than nothing that was there before. Well, there she is. I got a little eager with the welding, so there's a little kink there, you can tell, but honestly, it's not so bad. It's mostly what I was describing before, that the wheel arch is not that well made. So I have a little kink there, you see, but everything around here, there's nothing there, and everything from there to there is loose still. So you can just adjust that. And hey, I thought the rearmost part of the wheel arch was made from fiberglass, but it turns out it's just 11 layers of God knows what. So I just beat that off, and the arch is pretty fun. I don't have to weld that, which is good, because I kind of want to use this car. Just general hooning around. It's a fun little thing. Starting to get pricey. I think I paid $400 for this, or 400 euro would be more correct. And yeah, they're a bit more expensive now. But anyway, I think I'm gonna call it a day for there. I need some sustenance. So have a good one, and keep on welding.